Today, we have a 1966 Plymouth Fury, and we are going to be installing a custom vintage air kit on it. Vintage Air does not make a complete kit for the car. So, we're going to take a new Gen 5 Super Magnum, and I'm gonna put in this car. Let's see, I'm gonna take it off. Vintage Air sent me a couple different universal brackets, so I'm definitely gonna have to mount this back side up somehow to these, because I only want to drill like 2 more holes in the firewall. Just took a piece of scrap metal, marked out, cut a hole in it for this to fit. Boom, right there. So that's what I'm doing today, is making the Vintage Air control panel. To be textured, so I'm using a self-etching primer. So I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna drill some holes for this too. So I decided to go with the straight line bulkhead unit for Vintage Air, and it's gonna sit in just like so. So I gotta drill 2 other holes in here.
We need an update on the progress.
You need more than an update. Well, it got the wiring saddled up in here. Whole Vintage Air unit and electric fans. So if you look from underneath up, the relays right there. So they're easy access, fused out Ron Francis relays for the electric fan. Here's our box, that pan box that I made to go underneath the dash. I have the this dash inside of here completely done. So you guys always want to use this mineral oil that they send with you on the Vintage Air kits, because it keeps your everything lubed up. I'll just give you a quick rundown to where we left it here. Dash completely buttoned up. Hoses are made. Ductwork is ran. Relays are right back up here behind it. See them relays? We got all of the air ducts in. Control panel mounted. Made the pan box right there for the control panel. The factory glove box fit. No modification, no wrestling, no fighting, no cussing. It fit perfect. This is the new Gen 5 Super Magnum, the biggest AC unit that Vintage Air makes. If you see, there's no tint on this car. It's all clear glass. We're gonna take it down the road and test it, and we're gonna see how cold this gets. So it's supposed to put out 20% more air. So we're gonna jump in, take a ride. Man, that baby feels good. It's what, 115 degrees?
Actually, well, heat index is.
Heat index is like 115 degrees right now in southeast Missouri. We've been sweating profusely for 4 days in a row, maybe 5, but we only got 4 fingers to count on. And this AC feels good.